All right. So on this particular episode, we're going to be creating or working with props. That's what we're doing. We're working with props. And so let me get started. Um, so first, you want to create the React app, right? Which I've already done. And let's see. All right, so I'm going to create a file called body. That's what I'm going to do. Now I'm going to call it welcome. That's better. Yeah. Welcome. Welcome.js. And let's see. SLC is what I just typed. And I don't like that. Well, I guess I could make that right. And I'm going to type a div. Okay. Now I want to, let me go to app real quick. And I want to delete all of this. And I'm going to type my welcome component. So first of all, props is something we use in React to pass data. So you can pass data from one component to another component, or from one file to another file. So that's basically what you're doing with props. All right, so what I'm going to do right here is I created my welcome component, and I'm going to type props. And let's see, I'm going to say welcome home. Actually, I'm going to say H1, welcome home. And then I'm going to create H2. I'm going to say props. Well, props full name. So it's going, I'm basically writing a statement. Welcome home, my friend. And then it's going to say a name. And I'm going to do it over here in app, the app component. I'm going to say full name, Raven Jones. So I did that in the welcome component. And this should actually work. Let me cancel this because I got that running. All right, and then I'm going to say np start. And yeah, I should know how to do this if you watch my other React videos. All right, so welcome home, my friend, Raven Jones is what it's going to say. And this is coming from over here in app where I have full name equals Raven Jones. So this is me passing the data Raven Jones over to this file or component, props.fullname. See, it's real easy, real easy. As soon as it pops up, I do actually have an error, and I forgot to define welcome. All right, so when you want to define, when it says define something like that, define the component, I forgot to import it over here. Let me make sure I'm exporting it. Yeah, I'm exporting it right here, export default welcome. And now I need to import welcome from welcome.js. Okay, and that should work. I don't need that. Let's see how it looks now. Welcome home, my friend Raven Jones. And that is how you pass data. And there you have it. That's all I wanted to show. I just wanted to show you how to use props. All right. So thank you for listening and watching my video. And now I'm going to stop